Hi, hello everyone. In this video, I would like to tell about paragraph formatting in Microsoft Word. Before going to that, those who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and share it to your friends. Now let us see how to paragraph formatting in Microsoft Word. See here I have taken three paragraphs and selecting that paragraphs. After that, you have to click on home tab. In the home tab, paragraph group, in that paragraph group, this icon symbol, this is paragraph icon symbol. Okay, so we have to click on this one. If you click on this one, you will observe in alignment, you will observe left, centered, right, justify. Suppose this paragraph is, for example, suppose this paragraph is left side. You observe here left side. I want this paragraph alignment center, means just click on centered, click on OK. Now you observe this paragraph is adjust with center alignment. And if I want this paragraph right side align, click here right. See here, this is right align. Again, if I want center, means click on this paragraph icon, centered, click on OK. Again, it is aligned to center. So then what about this one, justified? See here, justified. Justified is nothing but you observe here the starting of the document, this side and this side. You observe the purpose of this justified is it will automatically adjust the document left side and right side automatically. Now you observe, now I am giving justified. See here, justified, click on OK. You observe, see automatically this side and this side it is adjusted. Okay, so this is about alignment of paragraph. Alignment of paragraph. To understand this concept very clearly, I will tell you. See here, for example, here I have taken a small paragraph. Select this one in the home tab. Again you go here, alignment. Now this paragraph is at which side? Left side. You want center, just click on centered, click on OK. See here, if we want the centered paragraph to right side, click on right, OK. If you want again left side, means left, OK. Okay, so this is about alignment of paragraph. Okay, right. So next one is indentation. So what is indentation? See here, so we know that in Microsoft Word, we have two rulers. This is horizontal and this is the vertical. In the horizontal ruler, you observe these two, and this one is the left indent and this is the right indent. Okay, and this is the left indent and this is the right indent. Again, in this right indent, this one is okay, this one is the left indent and this one is the first line indent, and the center one is the hanging indent. Okay, listen carefully. This, the top one is first line indent, bottom one is left indent, and the middle one is hanging indent. Okay, and this one is the right indent. Right, now see here, see, so what is the purpose of these indent? Means wherever we set this indents, up to there only we can type the text. See here, for example, here is the indent and the paragraph also started from here. and here is the indent, the paragraph is indent here only. Suppose if you want to type here, it is not possible. You observe here, once I am changing here, you observe. That means the purpose of these indents are, with these indents only we can adjust the paragraph in Microsoft Word document. Here we are talking about indentation. Indentation is nothing but, see here, in alignment what happened, we are moving the text from left to right, right to center, center to again right, again left. But here my requirement is, I don't want this paragraph to center. I want to start from here. It is in now it 0 position. I want here from 1, not from center. If I click center align, automatically it will start from center. Right means again right side. But here particularly I want my paragraph from here, that is from 1. So for that purpose, again click on this paragraph icon. This is the left indent, so that's why here I am giving the value 1 and click on OK. See here, now your paragraph is started from 1. Okay, left. Suppose you want the right indent 1, give 1, click on OK. See here, from here to here this is 1. Okay, that means the purpose of indent is, on this ruler wherever we want we can adjust the indents. From there we can start the paragraph. If I give 1.5, what happen? It will become from here. See here, 1.5 left indent. This is left indent, and give 1.5. See here. See 1.5. That means from alignment directly we can move the paragraph from left to center, center to right. But whereas with indents we can move our paragraph at particular positions. 1, 1.5, 1.2, 1.3, 1.23, like that. Wherever we want, we can adjust the paragraph with this indentation. See, right. So what about this first line and hanging? First line means you observe here, this is the paragraph. First select the paragraph. First line indent means here the paragraph first line is there na, it will move how much value you give on the ruler. See here, for example, here I have selected first line. That means only first line will move. How much? For example, here I am giving 1. Okay, 1. See here, this is the 0. The indent is at 0. I have given the value 1. Only first line will move up to here. See here, the paragraph first line. See, 1. Okay. So then what about hanging? Hanging means the first line will be like that only. Remaining lines are there in the paragraph, that lines will move. If you select this hanging, how much? For example, 1.5. 1.5 means this is 0, this is 1, this is 1.5. The 3 lines are there in the paragraph that will move. The first line will be like that only. See here, see 1.5. Okay. Okay, this is about indentation. In paragraph formatting, the next one is spacing. Spacing means, see here, here how I'm typing another paragraph. For example, see here, spacing means, see here in spacing we are observing two options, before, after. Before means paragraph before means here, spacing. Paragraph after means here. Okay, once again I'm telling, see here, paragraph spacing means before means here spacing, after means here spacing. Okay, see here, before, here how much you want the spacing. For example, 30 points means, see here, you observe the space here, before I have given, see. Okay, after the paragraph I want the space means, see here, select here after, and here I will give 40. After the paragraph you will come the space, see. Okay, this is about spacing. In the spacing, again we have line spacing. Line spacing is nothing but, see here, the space between the lines, that is called as line. This is the space between here, line to line, line to line, line to line. Okay, we can increase or decrease the space between the lines in document area with this option, line spacing. See here, first you select the paragraph. Yes, I have selected. Click on paragraph icon. After that, how much you want. Single means very less space. See here. Observe the changes here. After that, I'm selecting 1.5. You observe the changes. 1.5. I have given here double means more than this space. See here. Multiple. See here. Space. Heavy space. So normal means 1.5 lines. See here. Okay. So this is about paragraph formatting. So whatever the options till now we have written, we can also do from here also. So these are the alignments and these are the line spacings. Okay, so these are the indents. You can also do these options from here, from here. So these are the alignments, these are the line spacing, and these are the indents. Okay, so this is about paragraph formatting. If you have any queries or any doubts regarding this topic, keep in comment section. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, like it and give comments. Thank you so much for watching this video.